Good morning, Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. I have dug out of my parts for my storage this induction iron transformer that runs these two pieces. It's like a welder, you ground, and then this makes arc and heats up metal. And that's connected to the transformer, which is connected to the outlet. But it also has this wand too, and it's got connections here that are not connected because we got these connected. But that also runs this. It's got a little switch in here, and then these two make contact and also generate heat. But this is a little messed up. The piece, I don't think that piece is supposed to move. This piece is supposed to. But I really liked using this wand setup. So we're going to demonstrate that on this Smith Corona. We're going to heat this piece of metal up right here and put this piece on. And let's give this a try. Alright, let's adjust the camera a little. Let's plug this guy in. Alright, let's move this out of the way a little bit. So this should be fired up here. Should have some fire. And it does. It sparks. Okay, so we got power. Let's give this a try. So what we want to do is heat this arm up. All we got to do is ground this somewhere. Just put this to metal, and it should be able to arc right here. It does. So that's all we got to do is heat that piece up, and then we're going to squish this on here. So let's get some water ready in case it gets too hot. Water's ready, and let's get this a little better camera angle. So we're gonna heat this bug up. Okay, so I know there's just kind of a technique. Just rub it, get that glowing, and pretty quick that piece will become red hot. And we should just be able to, ooh, it's super hot. Ooh, it's really hot. Oh, I might have ruined this piece. It's really, really got hot. I think that piece is ruined. I'm gonna come in here and scrape some of this plastic off that I just got it too hot. Didn't realize it's a potential. Haven't used it in a while. Let's try it again. It's still pretty warm. Okay. So we still got another arm we can stick on there. This one, try not to heat up as much. Yeah, that got that really red hot. I could see it just. So we're gonna cool it off. All right. So this piece ended up melting the back half think we'll have to find another arm. This should be ready to go though. Looking good, so that's how that works. Induction iron. And it will just heat up any part you want, like that guy right there. Red hot. Over here in the frame. Red hot. Pretty neat, and there's extra tips. Looks like I got a bag full of extra tips here for this. So I'm going to keep this out and use this a little more often now that I unburied it. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.